How to install the Tuscan external model boiler. Start by removing the door. Unscrew the stainless steel fasteners to remove the top panel. Then remove the control panel. The compact control panel for the external boiler features a mains power supply connected via a 4-pin inline plug and socket and a plug-in burner lead. A permanent live power supply is required to power the frost thermostat and test switch. A press and hold test switch avoids the hassle associated with a test switch left in the test position. There's also a convenient clip to retain the fire valve sensor. For additional safety and to protect the boiler, we fit adjustable high limit thermostats set at 90 degrees Celsius. Unique to all Hounsfield boilers are neon indicators that are clearly visible through the boiler casing to communicate the boiler status to both the homeowner and boiler engineers. There's a mains power, high temperature cutout and burner lockout. To help level the boiler, there are adjustable feet. This is the standard low-level balanced flue setup. This is the air intake and the exhaust is here. This will eliminate combustion problems associated with unbalanced exhaust pipe outlets. Here is the heating flow, heating return and electric cable entry point. Entry points for the condensate pipe, oil line and fire valve are here, or alternatively, to the rear of the boiler. We recommend sealing condensate pipework, water and oil line connections with Rector-Seal True Blue, a non-setting sealant which doesn't dry out like glue and remains easy to dismantle. Don't install a deaerator, such as a tiger loop. Keep the number of joints in the oil line to a minimum. As you can see, there's plenty of room inside the casing to configure the oil line. The flexible oil line is manufactured from aircraft-grade hose with a Teflon core and a stainless steel braid, making this a lifelong component, as it will not degrade like other hoses manufactured from rubber or thermoplastic. As you can see, the flexible oil line and fuel isolation valve comes pre-assembled. We include the condensate trap, the oil filter and 10mm pipe fittings, plus all the fittings required inside the casing. Every burner is test-fired, but will need to be commissioned once installed. There are some additional flue options for the external boiler, making it ideal for installation in outbuildings, such as high-level and vertical balanced flue kits. Refer to the Flue Options brochure on our website for more detail.